Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a snap ready to edit. Tap the screen to open the text tool or press the T icon. This creates a text layer you can manipulate. Once the keyboard is visible, type your message and make sure the text is selected. You want the text box active before resizing because Snapchat only lets you change font size while that layer is editable. Next, look for the style options and prepare to use pinch or the T toggle to change overall appearance. Now refine how it looks. Pinch outward with 2 fingers on the text to increase size, pinch inward to shrink. This is precise and immediate. Alternatively, tap the T icon to switch to the bold, centered title style which auto-sizes, then pinch to tweak further. Make sure contrast is clear by choosing a color and adding a text background or outline if needed. Once done, drag the text to position it. Keep accessibility and composition. Finish by placing the text where it reads best. Tap Done to lock it, then send or save your snap. If your text won't resize, make sure you have the latest Snapchat version, then force close and reopen the app to reset the gesture. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupted settings. Also check your phone's accessibility text settings. Extreme system font scaling can interfere with in-app pinch behavior. Once fixed, repeat the pinch and confirm the size before sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.